In this Boost.Space review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Boost.Space. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll leave a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. Now, Boost.Space is a software that allows you to centralize, collaborate, and automate all your data for your business. So if you're running any major businesses or anything where you need to gather and collate information, this is the software for you right here. As you can see, we have a lot of options and a lot of modules that we've downloaded to add to our organization of our businesses. There are a few more that we can add onto this list, but we'll get to them later, as these are very important ones for your business right now, and they all essentially do similar things. So we'll go into it. So projects here, we've clicked on. This will show your business all the projects that you're working on. So you'll create a new project here and you put the name, the parent, and it'll simply create it for you. Now we've had one ourselves here, Opulent Tools, and here you can see drag any attachments you need, you describe the project naturally, and you can create a new space there. So you can see this is the main module that we'll click on. And right here, you have the project itself and the task required of it. You have the title here, indication, the status. I've just filled this in naturally urgent, just, to show that you can actually type stuff there and put information you want. Labels, the attachments. So whatever filter it's got on, any attachments, you can do multiple numbers, and the due date and the start date as well. You can track how long it took to do the project and when it's going to be due realistically. So that's really quite useful. And you can go back all the way to your main page. So that's projects. We'll go through tasks. Tasks again came underneath projects, as you can see here. So we actually went on that before, but it's connected to the project. So just showing again that you can access that project through clicking on this module as well, to cut through all that organization and folder clicking we were doing with the original projects module. So that's tasks. Go on notes. Now, notes is very interesting as well. Notes is simply a way to just create extra miscellaneous information that's important, information that you need to know that's not quite as direct to put into your projects or tasks, but it's nice to have a map of them here. And you can see these buttons are on every module you click on. And you can see here they have for chat, notifications, a start time, and a split view, along with a list as well for integrations. So this will be here for every module you click on. You have the chat, you can connect with your team and talk through them through the different modules. So if you want to talk solely about the notes, you open the chat for notes here, and you'll do the same for the other ones as well. You can get notifications for notes if anything's important, if you have a date for a certain note to be hit. And same with the task as well. It will notify you. You have a start time you click on as well, and a toggle split view that you can utilize as well. So you can create that new notebook and see here. So we have the note, insert a note right there. You put it in, edit the paragraph, edit the words however you want, even put an attachment if you want to, and it'll be right there ready to add onto your module. Continue and lose data. We didn't need to do all that. Same thing with calendar as well, and it'll be right here for you after you create it. And this is quite nice as well, because it's a nice looking intuitive calendar. We have November, you can see where we are on the 4th. So yeah, if you had any plans again and a due date for a project or date you had to meet for a deadline or an invoice or any other business matter, you put it all right here. Even holidays as well. If there are any holidays being planned, you can place them within these dates. It's really simple and really effective, and it's a nice graphic they have for each month displaying the weather pattern. So that's quite nice. Then you go to pages. You create a page with a text on iframe with a web view. So if you had for Opulent Tools, you put that there, and essentially you put a file there and you'll be taken to this page through a clicking of that widget right there. We don't need to put anything here. We don't have any files to put, but that'll be a page right there. For business tools, you click on that and you'll be taken to a page where you have a lot of notes for this specific section. Then you've got the wall as well. And the wall, again, you create a wall right here with the same buttons provided, And right here, you can share posts, attachments, and links with others as well in your team or anyone who has access actually to the module and your Boost.Space. And it's quite nice here. You got labels, you got emojis you can put, and once again, attachments. Create a post right now. Tools, simple. Just put tools, simple name. And right there, it's there. You can appraise it. This would be a nice way for people to respond to messages. And this is a nice way to post on a wall for your business or your group that could be in this space itself. Then you have work hours as well, which you can look at. And here you have all the different users and the work hours, the task list, the space, the activity, what they assign to, the notes for them. It's a pretty organized list of when everyone's working and what hours they should be working and what tasks they'll be doing as well. You can hide the chart, you can create a new work report. So it's all really quite useful to have for your employees. Same with business orders as well. Simply the business orders you have, any cost relating to your business right here will be filed with a code, a status, a label, a category, the customer, the case, and the contract. So you can start to see a pattern with these modules. They all have similar layouts, and it's all meant to help you organize each part of your business accordingly to each layout. And it's really quite useful. Again, you can create a new order right here. Put the business process, the contact, the business case, and that'll be quite helpful. Speaking of the contacts, you can go through the contacts right here. You can see we have upload tools, that starts right there. And you have your contacts, you can name them however, the company they're connected to, and their first name, the contact group, the labels, the time, their registration number. So again, if you have to contact specific people in different businesses from yours, then it's really helpful to have this contact list right here just to organize it again so you can quickly and effectively get to people and reach out to them without all the hassle of finding emails and numbers and having to work through that. So you go for the invoices again, which is very important to your business as well. Any costs you're going to incur, any payments you have to make out or receive, they'll all be right here for you. Again, you have the same subheadings right here: the customer, date of issue, the due date, the status, the payment type, the code. So again, all your expenses and all the earnings you're going to get in are all going to be put in right here because you need a way to organize your finances for your business. And it's doing that thing once again where you can organize all your information like it did with the contacts and the work hours. So now you can see these aren't the only widgets you have available for you. There's quite a few more. If you go in desktop settings, you'll be able to add another module to put in your public menu, and you can just keep it as a module, rather parent folder. And you can see right here all the modules in red are the ones you don't have here. You have forms, form inquiries, business cases, products, contracts. Products will be very important for your business as well because you can track your products and what you're selling. But again, there are all these modules. You can even add even a Minecraft one as well, and charts and payments and dashboards for analytics. So again, you have at least 20 here that you can go through that all do the same thing and provide you the same subheadings to organize everything they're telling you that they want to organize, like the contracts, the purchases, stock items. It will all look the same as the ones we went through. We just can't go through all of them because it would be a long-winded process to go through each one, but they all look the same. So that is Boost.Space. I think it's a really useful software. It's so clean and so well crafted in its organization. It really knows how to organize every facet of your business into readable files and intuitive files as well, I should mention. Again, it might be a lot of features to handle off a first go, but once you get the hang of it and you're used to it, it's really useful for your business. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll provide that discounted link. Thank you for your time.